Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to link Pokémon GO to your Nintendo account. First of all, make sure that the Pokémon GO application you are using is updated to the latest version. Now launch open the Pokémon GO app and log in. In the first home page, tap on the Pokeball icon at the bottom center and then click on Settings at the top right corner. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Connected Devices and Services. Click on Pokémon HOME on the next page. Click on Sign in with Nintendo. Click the Continue button in the pop-up to end up in the Nintendo.com sign-in page. You will end up in this sign-in area. Go ahead and enter your email address or your sign-in ID along with your password. If you don't remember your sign-in ID or your password, you can tap on Forgot Your Password /sign-in ID link at the bottom. If you remember your credentials, type it down in the respective text boxes and then click on the Sign In button. You may also go ahead and sign in with passkey options. After getting signed in, click on I agree, and once logged in, you will be able to link Pokémon GO with Nintendo account. That's how it's successfully done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.